Hey everyone, and welcome to Decor Designs by Aisha. Today I am going to be bringing you along with me because I am going to be undecorating. Yes, I said that right. I am going to be undecorating my Easter tablescape. So I want to bring you along with me because I have never shown you how I take down my decorations. And not only that, you're not going to undecorate with me, you're going to also decorate with me because I'm going to be decorating another tablescape. All right, so I just want to bring you along with me and just show you how I take down everything, how I stack up everything, and I am in the process of purchasing like some storage containers to put some of my items in. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So I want you all to come along with me. I hope that you enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be decorating my another tablescape, and I have a table runner that I'm going to be using, and I have a shopping haul. I'm going to be doing a shopping haul over on my second channel. My daughter and I have teamed up with our second channel, and it's called Aisha and Akira's Lifestyle Channel. And over there, you will be seeing the shopping haul. You also be seeing where I purchased the table runner from, okay? The table runner is beautiful, so I'm going to be showing that to you. But if you want to see where I purchased it from, then you have to go and check out my second channel, which is Aisha and Akira's second channel. The link to subscribe to our channel is in the description box below. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, which is Event Decor Designs by Aisha, where you will see event decor, balloon designs, and tablescapes, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also, I would love to have you a part of both channels. All right, so let's get started. So this is the bag that I have that I put all of my Easter eggs in, as you see right here, and like my Easter pigs. So that's why I told you I need to get a storage container to put those. So I'm just going to be adding these in here. right, everyone, so as you see, I have pretty much taken the things, not completely off my table, but I have broken down everything. I have folded up my napkins, and all I'm going to do here, I just fold them up, and I'm going to put them in the washer. And I put my plates right here so I can go ahead and put those up. And these are the little ribbons that I had on my, you know, had as a napkin ring on my napkins. So what I do, a quick budget tip, I'm not going to throw these away because I may use them next year for something. So I just always save all of my ribbon, my cutlery, because no one actually, you know, no one used these. So I'm just going to reuse these because they was just on the table. So no one used these, but, you know, if anyone used them, you know not to keep them. You have to throw them away. All right, so I just stacked up all of my glasses here and my 2 pink glasses here, and I have my vases here and my little bunny here because my bunny come apart. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all these things up, as well as my little Happy Easter stuff. And then I'm gonna take my tablecloth off, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna decorate a tablescape. All right. All right, everyone, so I am decorating my table, and if you all want to know more about this table runner, then make sure you go and check out me and my daughter's second channel at Aisha and Akira's lifestyle channel. I have did a shopping haul where I have added this table runner. Okay, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. All right, so I'm going to be decorating, showing you how to decorate a tablescape, and this is how I do from start to finish. Pretty much I normally stand back, look at my table, and have a vision of how I want it. Now all the time my vision do not a lot of time my vision, the vision that I have for the table, it seems like it exceeds what I was you know, the vision that I had, and sometimes it doesn't. So normally what I do, if I don't like it, I just take it off and start over again. So pretty much that's what you do. You have a vision in mind and you go forward. All right, so as you see, these beautiful colors of gold, purple, and the light pink and all of that. All right, so I have these beautiful purple napkins that I have right here. And as you see, they are silky. Now, I purchased these from Efavormart. I have had these napkins for probably about a year now. I'm going to be using them because as you see, they go really, really well with the color scheme. All right. All right, so I'm also going to be using these beautiful napkin rings that I purchased from Totally Dazzled. And this is how it looks. And I have included this in my shopping haul on my second channel also. So make sure you go over and check it out. See how beautiful it is. And it also goes with this beautiful color scheme, all right, with the table run. All right, also I'm going to be using these beautiful gold chargers. These I purchased from Walmart. So I'm going to be using these. And normally I set my table up for, say, a table setting of 6, but I only had actually 5 of these because it comes 5 in a pack from Efavormart. And I'm going to be putting the link in the description box below for you. But since I only have 5, I'm just going to be setting my table up for 4, okay? Because I don't want to have an odd amount of table setting. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to just put a plate at each area where I want it. All right, so what I'm going to do with my napkin, I'm just going to take it, fold it just like so, and I'm just going to put my napkin ring on it just like this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it and turn it, and I'm just going to place it directly on my charger plate just like so. All right. All right, so I've shown you how I have done my napkins, and as you see this beautiful napkin ring, all right, so that's how I'm going to do each one of them. All right, so I'm going to show you again. I'm just going to take my napkin, just take it in the middle, just like so. Just put the napkin ring on it, just like this. And what I do is just turn it around so it'll be facing this way, all right? And I'm gonna take it and just place my napkin directly on my charger plate. All right, I wanna make sure it's all cute. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do for each one of them. All right, so this table is beautiful for any event. All right, and purple is always a beautiful color, and it's the color of royalty. All right. So this is how it looks after I place my napkins on my plate. All right, so next what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be adding these beautiful like wine glasses, but they're plastic, as you see. All right, so I've used this in another video, which was my Go Red for Heart Health video that I did in dedication to my mom. The Go Red for Heart Health is a collaboration that I do every year to bring awareness to heart health. All right, so I'm going to be linking that video in the description box as well as in the card section. So make sure you go and check it out. All right, so I'm just going to be adding these on the right side. You always add your dishware on the right side of your charger plates. Okay, so just like so. All right, so that's how that looks after I added my glasses. All right, so now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be adding a centerpiece here on my table runner. Now I've purchased this from Walmart. This was on the clearance section at Walmart. So if you have, if you go in your Walmart, make sure you go and check out the clearance section. These I paid only, I think these were $1, and there were only 2 left. So I got this one and another one, but I'm just going to be using one because I have this beautiful purple, I think these are, what is this, peonies? And I purchased these from World Market. They were going out of business in my area. So these were only, let me see, the original price was like $3.98, as you see right there. But I only paid, I think these was like 40 cents or 30 cents. So these were the only purple ones they had. All right, so all I'm going to do is just place them, and as you see, this gold color goes well with my color scheme. So I'm just going to take it and place it directly in my vase, just like so. All right. Okay, so I'm going to take it and just put it in the center. All right, so now, as you see, this table is beautiful just as it is. If you want to leave it like this, that is fine. But I have these beautiful purple candles. And I think I purchased these from Amazon. I've had these a while, and as you see, they are the flickering kind. It's battery operated. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add them to each side of my centerpiece, my flower centerpiece, all right? Just like so. All right. So now what I have that I'm also going to be adding, and again, you can leave it just like this, but I'm going to add these beautiful glasses. And I purchased these. These were came four in a pack from Home Goods, and they were $9.99. So I'm going to just be adding these. And I'm just going to place them directly beside my gold glass here. All right, remember on the right side. All right, just like so. All right, everyone. So as you see, I am done with my Tablescape. I just wanted to show you how to set up a beautiful table setting. All right. And this is absolutely gorgeous. This purple is beautiful. I love it. Purple and gold. All right. So I have told you everything and where I purchased everything from. All right. Make sure you add your cutlery. All right. And some wonderful food that you can offer with this would be pretty much anything. Maybe a steak dinner, seafood, anything that you or your client would like, because this is a beautiful setup. So any meal would be wonderful to be served on this table, all right, with this Tablescape. All right, you can also serve maybe a glass of wine in the cups as well, maybe like a cocktail or something, all right? Or if you just want to keep it non-alcoholic, you can always add like some punch, all right? Some lemonade. Maybe you can add like a strawberry with like some strawberry punch and just put like a strawberry on top, just right here on the side, all right? So I want to say thank you all so very much for watching. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Event Decor Designs by Aisha family. And if you're in the Alabama area or Georgia area, I would love to come and decorate for you. So make sure you check out my website, which is in the description box below. All right. Thank you all so very much. I hope that you all have an amazing day. And I will see you all in my next video.